In the talent space, I think really in the first kind of 90 days in the role, we've refined what the investment looks like and what we care about in the talent space. We're very fortunate in Western New York that there have been a lot of folks that have been engaged in funding tech talent and tech talent initiatives in the adult space, right? So 16 and plus, and those non-traditional pathways into tech roles. But we really thought there was an opportunity to look at K through 12 and also the college talent retention side of things. And so what that's going to look like over the course of this year and beyond is finding those appropriate partners doing work in the K through 12 space and with college talent and deploying funds to help support them. And in particular, when we talk about talent, we're really interested in creating the best talent identification and recruitment system that the region's seen in the space of STEM and entrepreneurship and those aligned skills. And that is a really bold vision. So it's going to take...
I like it.
It's going to take a community to execute upon that. But talent, it's probably the investment, especially when you talk about the K through 12 space where you've got the longest tail on seeing those returns. But we talk about talent as the fuel of an ecosystem, and that really, I think, is foundational. So spending the time to think about pulling that investment even further upstream, right, in the elementary school, middle school, even high school space is really what I think will change the trajectory when we think about talent generation or talent over generations.
And what are some of the hypotheses about some of the programs that we'll continue to do? The internship program. What are some of the things that we have that on tap on the K through 12 space?
Yeah. So some of the things, the Family Code Night, I think is
It's fun,
a very exciting program. So just to back up for a second, Family Code Night is a program that Tech Buffalo does in partnership with Microsoft. Tech Buffalo was the only nonprofit in New York State to receive a grant and join a fellowship that's put on by Microsoft, focused on tech and innovation across the country. And Family Code Night leverages Minecraft education and this idea that, there's nothing that, creates a spark around tech as play, right? And having fun with Minecraft education. And we knew we were focused initially when the program started on the adult side, where we said, okay, childcare tends to be an impediment for adults learning about tech training opportunities in Western New York. So let's remove that impediment and let's have the adults and kids together learning about coding. That's a program that we found has been very good to just broadening with the widest funnel of inviting people in from all across the community to say, come learn with us and also come experience the very basics of coding while getting access to all these resources aligned to tech and tech training.